Hi there, I'm James Chen, product manager of this Zebra ZD510 Wristband printer. So today I'm here at the HIMSS 2024 show in Orlando, Florida. I'd like to show you a demo of how this ZD510 cartridge-based wristband printer is unique to everyone else's difference of a ZD wristband printer. So I'm showing you a scan to print demo from here. First of all, I'm just using a fictitious ID card of mine, and I'm gonna scan my information. And here, the wristband comes out. And here's my name, as you can see. And what's so unique with this wristband is that it's cartridge based, as I mentioned. So to take it off, there's no rolls to unroll or deform. It's all in the cartridge. And this cartridge has a smart chip based on it. So it will tell you the state of the cartridge, how many wristbands are left. And it also tells you the state of the printer, like the print head. And to install it, you don't really have to unroll anything, untape anything. Just take this cartridge out of the box, make sure you can see the tip there, and just pop it back in. And this wristband printer is ready to go. So remember, the ZD510 wristband printer is so unique that it's the only cartridge-based wristband printer available today. Thank you.